Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how can you delete saved searches on Facebook Marketplace. To begin with, first thing first, make sure that your application is completely up to date. Now then, what you have to do is here. You simply want to make sure to go and launch open Facebook and click on the menu bar, or maybe you could just go to this icon marketplace section. After which you want to hit the search bar right over here, and then you have to go to the save search options. When you go to save search, since I haven't done it, so I'm gonna quickly go ahead and add it to my save. So let's see, this is the one. So a save. Click on the search bar once again and go to save search. So over here you'll be able to find the searched or save search. You just want to simply click on this unsave option. When you press that out, and you will be able to delete saved searches on Facebook Marketplace. That's basically how you can delete saved search on Facebook Marketplace. That's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.